Hey everyone, this is Holly from Hot Humble Pie. I am so excited to share today's video with you. It's something totally different that I've never done before, but it's totally fun and inspiring. I played around online and put in prompts and created some absolutely gorgeous ideas for styling your Valentine's Day decorations in your home. And as always, I hope you enjoy the show. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you click that button. These were just so beautiful to me, and my first thought literally was, oh my gosh, I need to share these with my YouTube friends because I was getting inspired and I definitely thought you guys would get, I was doing it for myself just to give me ideas, and I thought you need to share this. Just the colors, textures, combinations, everything. So many, even if you don't have the identical decor, just the combinations of textures and colors and patterns is very helpful. So it's like literally flipping through a magazine. There's no way I could have ever provided this many ideas using my home as the only backdrop. Oh my gosh, the beauty of modern technology. Anyway, you'll have to let me know down below in the comments what you think about today's video. If you'd like to see more like this, let me know. But sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, cozy up under a blanket, and enjoy today's video. Okay guys, that's it for now. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you thought of the video. If you'd like to see more of these in the future with the seasons. I found it really helpful for me decorating in my home, kind of gave me ideas about what kind of colors I want to put together. I just thought it was a lot of fun, but if you didn't, let me know that too. And of course, I will see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.